The moon, our nighttime friend in the sky. The moon is like a shiny friend that visits us at night. Let's learn about what the moon is made of and what it looks like. Moon material. The moon is made of rock and dust. It doesn't have any air or water like Earth, so it's a quiet place with no sound or weather. Moon shape. When we look at the moon from Earth, it looks like a big, round circle in the sky. Sometimes we can see parts of the moon, like a crescent or a half circle. Bright and silvery, the moon shines in the sky because it reflects light from the sun. It looks silvery and glows softly at night, helping us see in the dark. Changing phases. The moon changes shape in the sky, and we call these changes phases. Sometimes it's a full moon, and other times it's just a tiny sliver. It's like the moon is playing peekaboo with us. The moon is a special part of our nighttime sky. Let's gaze up at its silvery glow and wonder about the mysteries of our lunar friend.